Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
The question, what's your name?
I'm Ephraim.
Ephraim.
Yeah.
So today we want to find out how do Kenyans know America. So we are just going to start with basic questions. Do you know the President of America?
Yeah.
Who is he?
Not Donald Trump. He's called forgotten the name.
You've forgotten the name.
Wow. I cannot remember the name. Yeah.
What about the Vice President?
I know the vice. Kamala Harris. Yeah, something of the sort.
Yeah, it's Kamala Harris.
Yes.
And in America, there are two ruling parties that are nationally recognized. Can you name them?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good.
What's your name?
Scott, SCOTT.
Okay. Do you know America very well?
Nope.
No.
No.
And do you know who the President of America is?
Right now, currently. I don't know. The last person I heard of was, is it Clinton? I don't know if, no, not Clinton. I don't know.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm good.
So today we want to know how well do Africans know America. Are you ready?
I think I'm ready.
Okay. So the first question, just a basic question. Who's the President of America?
Joe Biden's. Yeah.
And what about the Vice President of America?
Sorry. Kamala Harris.
There's two ruling parties in America that are nationally recognized. Can you name them?
Yeah, they're the Democrats and the Republicans.
Okay.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good.
Do you know the President of America? What about the Vice President? Do you know how many political parties there are in Americans, the nationally recognized ones?
Oh, I think are they? I don't know, but I know there are. Are they two? I think they are two.
Can you name them?
Dominicans and something else. Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
So today we are asking Kenyans. We want to know how well does Kenyans know America. And the first question we want to ask, just basic questions here. Who's the President of America?
The President of America. Niliacha ikiwa Barack Obama. I left it when it was Barack Obama. I think now it's Joe Biden. Yeah.
And do you know who the Vice President of America is?
I don't know kusema ukweli.
You don't know?
I don't know.
What about ruling parties in America? Do you know how many there are nationally recognized ones?
Nationally recognized. Republican, Democrat. Nimewaisikia hizo tu.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
So today we want to find out how well do Africans know America. Uko ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so who is the President of America?
Hillary.
Hillary. And
Hillary Clinton.
and what about the Vice President? Do you know who the person is?
Najua ni dem like jijina.
Okay. Sasa, and America has two ruling parties zenye are nationally recognized. Can you name them?
Mimi sijuangi America hiyo design. Labda najua ni American entertainment. Yeah.